get lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good morning everyone! It's our third day here in Sydney, and for today, pupunta tayo sa Hyde Park, then to Bondi Beach, and hopefully we can do the coastal walk up until Bronte Beach. So yun yung plan natin for today. Sana magawa natin lahat. Depende sa weather kasi it's a bit unpredictable, like minsan sakto lang and then biglang magdo-drop yung temperature. But anyway, yun yung plan for today. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo. Okay, so sa Hyde Park yung first stop natin for today. Lakad na tayo papunta doon. It's sunny and windy. Dito tayo. So, diretso rito. Ang dami talaga Meriton. Oh. Dito may Meriton ulit. Oh. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Hyde Park. Isa to sa must-visit sites dito sa Sydney. Malaki-laki rin siya. And then, malapit na rin to sa St. Mary's Cathedral and Anzac Memorial. Tawid tayo. So dito rin masarap mag-picnic. Like, if you wanna have lunch, bili kayo ng lunch for takeaway. Tapos, find a seat here. Para mga doon, no? And then just relax. Check out the bullets. Actually, hindi ko alam kung bago to. Kasi ngayon ko lang siya napansin, no? Parang dati wala tayong nakikitang ganito. Ang laki. So for reference, surreal, tayo ka next to the bullet. So they can see how huge it is. That's surreal. And this, the rest of the bullet. Whoa. So big, right? May description. Parang it's symbolized lang. Pero hindi nakalagay kailan, no? And then eto na yung Anzac Memorial. Okay?
It's peaceful and quiet here.
You like it here? Yeah. Oh, a maple leaf. All right, let's go. You turned it into abanico. Yeah, you did that. When you were 4, you walked there.
No.
Yeah, you did. Ganda rin dito sa side na to. Pero yung harap niyan, yan yung may parang ha? Oh yeah. What's the name of that bird? May pangalan yan eh. May pangalan. Siyempre may pangalan. Pero nakalimutan ko, may very Australian yung bird na yan. Hi! Picture niya daw, daddy niya. Ayan. So, ito yung harap ng Anzac Memorial. It's a major war memorial and museum located dito sa Hyde Park. So, pag nagpunta kayo rito, pay respect. Don't be noisy. Sabi nga nila doon, parang your silence is your offering. So, it's really to commemorate those who fought for the war. Ayan. So, pakita ko lang din yung paligid niya. This how it looks like. It's a bit quiet today. Actually, quiet naman dito, pero mas onti yung taon now. Kasi it's actually a holiday dito sa Sydney. It's the King's birthday. So, yan. Si Cyril nag-aano ngayon. Nag-enjoy siya ngayon sa photography. So, yan ang subject niya, yung birds. Nice!
When I took a picture earlier with Daddy.
Oh, wow. Ganda. How about the birds? Can I see? Wow. All right. Let's go explore the rest of the park. Ayun, naalala ko na. Ang tawag nila dito is the bin chicken. Ang dami, no? Okay. Okay, ngayon tatawid tayo dun sa kabila. Hanggang dun sa kabila yung stretch nitong Hyde Park. Let's go to St. Mary's Cathedral. And dito naman, makikita nyo yung Australian Museum. Laki, no?
It's a museum?
Yeah, it is.
Can I go there?
Maybe some other day?
No.
Nahihilig siya sa museum din ngayon, no? Okay, ito yung favorite part ko ng Hyde Park. Look at all those trees. Alam nyo ba, pag sa gabi, maraming paniki rito. Ganda, oh, it's so peaceful. Look. Mahaba yan. From there,
Mommy, look.
and then up until here. There's the fountain. And that is St. Mary's Cathedral. Ang ganda. So yan, this is where people go to relax, people watch, and just unwind. Okay, so here's a better view of St. Mary's Cathedral. Ang ganda niya, no? Pati yung surroundings dito. Ang ganda. It's a nice afternoon. Okay, tapos na tayo dito sa Hyde Park and St. Mary's Cathedral. Punta na tayo sa Bondi Beach. Okay, nag-Uber na tayo para mabilis tayo makarating kasi marami tayong lalakarin. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Coogee Beach. Ang layo nito. Sa iba tayo din wrap off nung Uber. Actually, dapat Bondi to Bronte Beach yung lalakarin natin. Pero, he dropped us off dito sa Coogee, which is also okay kasi we haven't been here before. So, ayan, lakad-lakad tayo. Let's see kung hanggang saan yung kakayanin nating lakarin. Layo nun. Yeah. Ang ganda rin dito. It's so peaceful. So this is Coogee Beach. Hopefully, hindi umulan kasi lalakad sana tayo. Right, Cyril? I think madadaanan natin yon. Nakikita nyo ba yon? Yung mga tao doon sa taas? Yon.
Let's walk as far as we can.
Ha?
Let's walk as far as we can.
Oh, narinig nyo yon? From a 7-year-old, let's walk as far as we can. Are you ready? Alright, let's go, ma'am. Okay. Sisimulan na natin yung ating Coogee to Bondi Beach Walk. Sana kayanin at sana hindi umulan kasi nagbabadya na siya. Are you guys ready? Ready? Okay, let's go. Ganda rin ng atmosphere dito. Ano siya, mas relaxed siya kumpara sa Bondi Beach. Tapos ayan, may mga nagbi-beach volleyball. Okay, let's start our walk here. Ganda, oh. God. Mukhang uulan nga. Ganda rito, oh. Retreat, umaambon na, and it's a pretty open walk. So, upo muna tayo sa mga ganon, mga may shade. Waiting. Nandito kami sa ano. May isang shade dito, or shed. I wanna walk. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. VCAT. Okay, ia-attempt ulit namin. Umaambon-ambon pa rin. Actually, nakaupo kami doon mga 30 minutes na. Hindi naman siya lumakas, pero ganun lang, umaambon-ambon. So, titingnan namin kung hanggang saan kaya. Ito rin family sa likod natin eh. Parang maglalakad. Tas. Spicy? Oh my God. Remember, you're a Bicolana. Ay, hindi pala. Di ba ang sinusunod yung probinsya ng tatay? Naku, yung tatay mo, hindi ko makain na maanghang yan. Ganda rin ng view dito, oh. Sabi nila, this is going to be a scenic walk. Kaya gusto ko talaga siyang gawin dati pa. Yeah, let's walk a little faster, okay?
So spicy.
So spicy. Wow, look at that. Ganda. Ganda, oh. Oh, may pa-airplane pa. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda siguro nito kung ano, no? Hindi gloomy. Yeah. Yan yung aakyatin natin. Look at this. Parang gusto kong lumapit kaso nagmamadali tayo kasi baka umulan pero ang ganda. Grabe oh, ang ganda. I wanna go back here. During a better weather.
Mami, wait lang.
Yes?
May picture na.
Okay. I like it so much. Yeah. Okay. Lumalakas ang ambon. Pero lakad pa din tayo. Okay. I think this is Gordon Bay. Yeah, sure. Ayan. So, yung daan, madali lang naman siya. Para siyang may mga ganto. Ganto talaga yung itsura ng path. And then, meron siyang mga, minsan may makikita kang mga daan papunta doon. I think they're more on viewing points. So, for this one, oh my God, ang ganda ng tubig. Wait. Grabe, oh. Ang ganda ng tubig. Look. Oh my. Wait, try kong i-zoom in. Dito tayo, banda. Dito. Ayan. Ang ganda rito. Nice. Okay. Tuloy ang lakad. Uy, ang ganda! Ito siya. It's so nice. Pero umuulan. It's not nice anymore. I like it. So, mas makikita pala natin siya ng mas maganda kasi yun yung daan, no? Dun siya, pataas. Ayan. Okay, let's walk. Ganda. Okay. Bahala na kahit mabasa. Pero, yeah. Ang ganda niya. Let's go up. Pag meron dyang shade, pwede naman tayong sumilong muna. Oh my God. Puro packet to. Grand old lady at Gordon's Bay. Whew. Let's go. Oh, ang layo na nalakad namin, no? Can you imagine how blue that water is? Pag sunny? Yeah? Basta na ako. Oh my God. Paakyat pa rin siya ng paakyat. Ayan na ang photographer namin. Pinatabi kami. What? Liminal space. Okay.
Help?
Help sabi niya? What? Ang lakas eh. Wala na. Ganda. Lakad pa rin. Nakakatakot yung sigaw, no? Oh, sorry. That's the view. And that's my mag-ama. Kawawa naman kung saan ako dinadala tong dalawang to. Sobrang baba tapos akyat. Ha. Tapos along the way may mga ganyan, no? May mga upuan. So, pwede kayong mag-rest. Kung maganda yung weather. Ayan pa, upuan ulit. And look at that. Bato-bato dito, oh. Ayun din, meron din upuan doon. I think pwede rin pumunta dyan. Umabot kaya yung waves dyan? Parang no? Ayan o, tinan mo nga yung yung entrance niya parang may warning din. So I think sinasara nila to kapag sobrang lakas. Ayan o, meron ding nakaganyan pag danger. No-go zone. Yeah. Oh my God, lumalakas yung ulan. Lumalakas na naman. Atin itong pagkakabasa natin kahit lumalakas. Pero, I'm gonna show you this. Ganda. Diba? Doon pa tayo galing, oh. Alright, let's go back to walking. Try nating maghanap ng coffee shop pag meron. Hinto muna tayo doon kasi ang lakas na ng ulan. Saan yung daan? Dito kaya? Nakikisilong kami sa random house dito. Yung unang may silong na nakita namin, pinuntahan na namin kasi lumalakas na yung ulan. Okay, tuloy ang lakad! My little adventurer! I'm so proud of you, Cyril! Ayan na yung mga best friend ni Nemo. Oy, 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 oy! This one big parking lot. Tapos ito yung view. Sir, hurry up. At umuulan. Pero ice cream pa rin tong batang to. You can sit there, you're already wet. Alright, let's go, ma'am. Yeah, it is. Okay. Ulan pa. So kapag maganda yung weather, upo ka lang dyan. Tapos, relax dito. Dala ka ng coffee. Ganda. Ano sa tingin nyo? Matatapos kaya namin tong lakad na to? We still have 1 hour to go. What do you think, guys? Yeah. Oh my God. Grabe yung may nagsaswimming doon, oh. Do you see it? Ayun, oh. Ang lakas ng current. And this is a bit scary. Cyril, don't go to the edge. Just enjoy your ice cream there. Ayan siya, ang ganda. Tapos may, namimingwit siya. Yeah. Alright. Lakad ulit. Go, go, go! Hindi namin alam kung doon yung daan, pero pwede ka rin bumaba dito. Tapos may daan din paakyat. And you will be here. What? What's that? A sausage? Cool sausage. What's this? Is this a restaurant? Lovely. Tama ba yung dinadaanan natin? Grabe, gano'n kaya kalamig dyan, no? Yung nagsaswimming, ang tibay eh. This is Clovely Surf Life Saving Club. Okay. So, saan ang daan? Doon, paikot. Tapos paakyat doon. Ito ata yung Tamarama Beach. I don't know. I'll check. Parang umaano dyan yung tubig sa dagat. But it's gross.
Yeah.
It's kind of gross. Okay.
Or maybe it's just an abandoned pool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an abandoned pool.
Oh, it's temporary closed for upgrade works. Napaka-judgmental. Okay.
Games full, ayun, no?
Ah, okay. Ano pala to?
Games go.
Oh, yo. Welcome to Sea Salt. Is that a restaurant? Food, drinks, ice cream. Pero ganun din, hindi na malakas, no? Let's just try to finish the walk. Ano pala to? Clovely Beach.
Makakamilig na eh.
Actually, it's really, yeah.
Ang ganda, in fairness, ang ganda nitong walk na to. I will do it again.
Kita naman kanina sa
Ah, yeah, kasi nakasilong tayo dun sa ano. Asa yung dog nila? May dog sila, diba?
yung tumatawag na matalo.
Hinahanap nila. Ah, nakatali. Oo. Okay. Naririnig nyo ba yon?
I reflect.
Ice cream?
Malapit na tayo.
No, not yet. I think mga... Let me check. Siguro mga 30 minutes pa. Okay, nasa Bronte na ba tayo?
Wala pa.
Asan pa lang tayo?
Ayun, sa Clovely pa lang, eh.
Yeah, Clovely. And then, ang layo pa natin sa Bronte Beach. Pero kaya yan.
Ibig sabihin yung ano, dun pa?
Yep. Dapat nga ang gagawin lang natin, 'di ba, is ano, Bondi to Bronte. Kaso doon tayo napunta sa Coogee. It's winter in Sydney and it's raining and this kid has walked 4 kilometers so far. Wow, 4 na ba? Di pa. Almost. And she's so chill.
I don't like it when it's shut up.
Ay, progress check. Oh, ang layo na. Doon pa yun, oh. Nice. Okay. Miss, I don't like it pag pataas. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Ang gaganda ng house dito, oh.
Yeah, that house looks like familiar.
It looks familiar to you? Maybe it's one of your houses in Roblox.
No, it's not my house is in Roblox.
Okay.
I saw it in a movie.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Do you want to live there?
kinda.
Kinda. I like the black house.
Yeah, me too. I like the house is weird.
Wow. Oh my gosh. I like it. Look.
Wow.
Wow. It's so nice. Ang ganda, grabe. Ganda. Parang, tingnan mo naman yan. How many times in your life are you going to walk in Sydney with this view?
Black house.
Grabe, malo. Diba? Para akong naligo, oh. Basang-basa ako, buti pa kayong dalawa may hoodie. Ako para ako may makikipag-meeting. But it's worth it. I'm so glad na sumubok tayo, no? Kung inantay lang natin improve yung weather, wala. Kasi ganito siya, drizzling, and then lalakas ng konti, and then drizzling again.
Pero yung lakas yun.
Hindi yung mababasa ka ng sobra. Sayang kung hindi lang umuulan, tas may time sarap umupo sa mga ganun, no? Pupunta ako doon. Naku, ayaw ni Cyril to. Pataas na naman. So what are you gonna do, ma'am?
Stand still.
All day?
I'm going back.
Yep. Tama yan. I think you should wipe your face.
I don't want it.
You don't want it anymore? I'll give it to Daddy.
Creamy.
Gaganda ng bahay talaga dito, oh. Lakad pa rin kami. Ah, tama. Ang galing mamala. Ito nga.
Mas tatamigin yun, no?
Yeah. Pinakasay nila may jellyfish sa sahig. Ganda, oh. Careful, Cyril, ha? May mga, uneven spots. What? There's a cemetery? There. I can see it there. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a cemetery. It's green. Oh my God. It is. Oh, wow. Ang unique lang ng location. Pero ayan siya, ang dami hanggang dun, no? Ayan. Wow. Oh, ready na ba kayo? Ayan pa yung lalakarin namin, no? Are you guys seeing that? Okay, go. Okay. Tapos yung cemetery, hanggang dun pa siya, oh. Medyo unique yung location niya, no? Yep. Okay. We gotta hurry up a bit here kasi sobrang open niya. Baka lumakas yung ulan. This is the view. Ganda. Dami, oh. Grabe yung cliff, oh. Oh. This is such a unique walk. Pag nandito kayo sa Sydney, I highly recommend this. Just make sure to check the weather. Although I checked naman, hindi lumabas kanina. When I checked, parang Wednesday and Thursday yung uulan, eh. But syempre, you know, it can happen. Okay, eto naman na yung nilalakaran natin. Grabe. Ang ganda talaga rito. Buti pa sila may mga gantong lugar. No? Gaganahan ka talaga mag-jogging dito. Ganda oh. Kasi yan, may mga upuan. Two kilometers.
65 Chinese.
Okay, puro pataas na naman. Ay talaga? Ay oo, yung sinabi mo nakaraan. In fairness dito ha, may mga pataas siya pero ginawa nila ng way para hindi mo ganong ramdam, no? Parang ganyan, tapos flat. Ganda yun. Medyo nakakilabot tingnan yung ganito ka wide open na dagat, no? Grabe, oh. Wala na talaga, open talaga siya, oh. Gano'n na kaya kalalim yan? Oh, kita yung ano eh, no? Yung bato. Alright. Back to walking. Hi, Cyril! Hindi na siya kumikibo. I will say that's dirty, but...
Give water to plants.
Alright, let's go. Another memory for the Hognos. Pagod ka na?
Nope.
Ako rin. Hinihingal ako pero hindi pa ako pagod. Kaya ko pa. Huwag lang uulan ng malakas. Okay, nandito na tayo. So, dito naman yung daan. At least, pababa.
Water yan eh.
Oo. Do you know, baby, it's water that cuts through it and gives it that shape.
Million years yan.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Amazing, right? Okay, let's go.
Squash.
Wait, ano sinabi mo?
Nagawa kami ng live action. Ay, anong tag doon, baby? Real garden.
Oh my God. First the dog, then the duck, and it became ducks, and now garden. Talagang magiging farm na yung bahay natin.
First plant is real mushroom.
Mushroom. What's your favorite, vegetable?
Potato?
Potato.
How about fruit?
Fruits.
Frutella.
Oh my God, that's not a fruit. Frutella. Grabe, busog na busog ka rito sa magagandang tanawin talaga. Ayan, oh.
Not anymore.
It's not anymore. Ah? Oh. Okay, eto na yung Bronte Beach. Ha?
Wala na.
No, marami pa. Are you so tired na? Ano, hanggang dito na lang. Sayang naman, baby, malapit na tayo. Let's rest 10 minutes. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Ha? Alright. Okay, sige. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Bronte Beach. Unfortunately, hanggang dito na lang tayo kasi hindi na kayang maglakad ni Cyril tapos padilim na din. So that's the reality of traveling with a family, diba? Dapat flexible kayo. So for today, umulan, pero tinuloy pa rin natin. Tapos ang plano natin is matapos hanggang Bondi Beach. Pero it's still another 2 kilometers from here, so hindi niya na kaya. So hanggang dito na lang tayo. But anyway, nakita nyo naman yung majority ng coastal walk. Ang ganda. I highly recommend it. So hanggang dito na lang tayo. That's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Say bye, Cyril! Say bye, Cyril! Galit na siya. So bye!